I'm Ellen Bennett, and this is Flavor Forecast. Today we're talking about how to cook authentic vegan Mexican cuisine in your own kitchen. People are increasingly looking for ways to eat healthier, like being vegan, but they don't want to sacrifice the great flavors that they're used to. And Mexican cuisine, being one of the most flavorful ones out there, has a lot in common with vegan cuisine. So we knew they were bound to intersect deliciously. You can get all the amazing flavors using some traditional techniques, but with some hearty veggies. And you can do it all at your house. And I'm here with my friend, Chef Loretta. How are you?
Hi, Ellen.
I'm so excited because I want to hear about how you can make all this incredible food vegan style, still being Mexican. Walk me through it. You've got some delicious barbacoa
definitely,
here.
yes, and this is very simple. It's simpler than it looks. Okay. Just using the right vegetables and the right spices, you can really make a delicious Mexican dish without missing the meat at all. Like, for example, the barbacoa that you were looking at. This is the traditional barbacoa.
Can I taste
very
it?
pleased you.
I love barbacoa.
This was made with using eggplant and portobello mushrooms, just to give it the texture of the meat.
And it has all that cumin flavor coming through, a little garlicky. It's definitely similar flavors.
Chilies, and then we made it on the grill.
Qué rico.
This is made on the grill to get that smoky flavor.
The smokiness is really coming through. I see chorizo over here. I mean, I'm so used to eating that as a meat.
Now this one was made, I mean, you can see the texture, the color. This was made with garbanzo beans.
What?
Yes, and we used some paprika, we used a little bit of cumin.
Chef Loretta, that is so good.
Yes, isn't it?
Oh my gosh.
So you can still enjoy these flavors, you know, the vegan way.
There you go, she did it. Thank you so much for showing me this. This is amazing.
Thank you, Ellen.
So whether you're dining out or eating in, rest assured, you can get all the great Mexican flavors you crave in vegan dishes.